Hi, this is Thundy from Booredatwork.com, and today we'll be doing a review of the MapQuest Android app. This is a free turn-by-turn navigation app from MapQuest, and this is an alternative to Google Maps if you own your Android operating system. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Very first thing is when you turn on the app, it will ask you if your GPS is on, so you can turn that on. But another thing, so once you go in there, you can see, of course, the map overlay. You can zoom in and zoom out as much as you can. You can see that it does have pinch zoom, so you can pinch zoom and zoom in all the way as close as possible. I'm just going to zoom out. You also have your location finder, which is there on the top hand corner, which brings you back to your present location. You can also do a voice search, as well as just type in your search coordinates. And when you do a voice search, 330 Brookline Ave. Not app, but Ave. It basically finds the location for you, and you do a search, and you can go and navigate to that location, and it will load it up, and you should be able to navigate there. And you can basically, it shows you the map directions, and you can start navigation. You can edit it.
Start out going east on Elliott Street toward Gallen Street.
In your menu, shows you the whole, you can do traffic, showing your traffic. You can also clear the map. You can go back to full map search or stop following. And yeah. Now, if you do, there is a pull down menu here. Oh, actually, pull down menu here, which basically shows you the directions you're going through. So you can swipe through, and it's pretty intuitive. It's easy to just do that. Going back to the edit section, you can change your location and change where you're going to, or you can add a location to your trip. And you can also do walking directions as well as driving. And you can also pinpoint and pick shortest routes, avoiding areas, and all that kind of fun stuff. And you can search for a new route, and we'll just go out of that. Now, oops, sorry, let's head back to the maps. The problem is right now the maps don't have notifications on the top, but to allow you to quickly jump in. But of course, you can easily do that by hitting the excuse me, hitting the icon again on your screen. So going to the maps, a couple of cool things. If you pull up the tray here, you have a bunch of options, location options like hotels, restaurants, shopping, gas, ice cream bars, you name it. There's a whole bunch. So let's zoom out a little bit so we can get a bigger view. Cool thing about it is once you tap on it, I tap on bars, for instance, and searching for bars shows me bars around the area, of course. If I type in ice cream, it shows me all the ice cream spots. It will search for that too in the area. Zoom out a little bit more. See what we have for ice cream. So we have the bars up there, and we can chop that again. We can also search for schools. Shows you all the schools in the area, and then the icon here on the map, you tap on that, shows you lists of all the schools. Show more. You can switch to also list of all the bars. And I guess I didn't do a search for ice cream properly, so I'll do that too in there. So search for ice cream parlors, and that should pop up also. So basically you can search for the stuff and it comes up on the map, and ice cream parlors are included. There's little icons there, and so we have schools, and we also have ice cream spots, bars, as well as ice cream spots right here. So you have all that on your map. You can also clear out the map. So if you actually hit menu, hit clear out map, it clears out everything for you. And directions, just basically doing directions from your location to wherever you want to go. So this is it's a pretty easy map to use. If you go into more, you do have your satellite view. You can change your view over. Going over again to more your settings. give you pretty robust settings. You can do distance, location, walking direction. You can also store cache of your map, at least your locations on. Sorry about that. Location here on the map, so it's very nice. I couldn't find an option to actually save locations. So for instance, I mentioned 330 Brookline Ave, but I couldn't actually save it. But overall, it's a decent map options. It works very well. Good competitor to Google Maps on your Android operating system. So yeah, go ahead and try it out, guys. Let me know what you think. So anyway, if you guys have any questions, any comments, let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to all our pages, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, as well as hit us up on the website, Borderwork with 2 O's. And again, this is Thunder from Borderwork saying thank you and always enjoy entertainment.